Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to blur images in Figma. This is a really useful technique when you want to create depth in your designs, soften backgrounds, or add a professional touch to your visuals. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your Figma application. Once you've launched it, you'll see your dashboard with all your recent projects and files. From here, go ahead and open the file or project where you want to blur images. This could be any design you're currently working on, whether it's a website mockup, a presentation, or a social media graphic. Now that your project is open, locate the image you want to blur and click on it. When you select the image, you'll notice that the right sidebar updates to show all the properties and options available for that specific element. This is where we'll be making our changes. On the right side of your screen, look for a section labeled Effects. You'll see a small plus icon right next to it. Click on that plus icon to add a new effect to your image. This is where Figma lets you apply various visual effects like shadows, blurs, and more to enhance your designs. After clicking the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear showing you different effect options. From this drop-down, click on Layer Blur. This is the specific type of blur we need for images, and it applies the blur effect across the entire layer rather than just creating an inner or outer glow. Once you've selected Layer Blur, you'll notice a new effect has been added to your image. Now click on the Effect Settings icon, which typically looks like a small icon next to the effect name. This opens up the blur adjustment controls. Here you can adjust the blur intensity by dragging the slider or typing in a specific value. To see a noticeable effect, try increasing it to something like 10. You'll immediately see your image become softer and more blurred. And that's it. Your image is now blurred exactly how you wanted it. You can always go back and adjust the blur amount anytime by clicking on the image and modifying the effect settings. This gives you complete control over the final look of your design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.